Bunny?
Is he smiling?
No, it's like, what is that?
Bunny?
What is that? Huh? What is that?
He's like, whatever.
It's like, oh,
That's
look
his
at
tickle
that.
spot.
Your bunny?
Ain't he cute?
So I'm not gonna smile. I want to know what that is and why is he shaking it. So I'll take it. I'll take it.
It smells like chocolate in here.
Or rotten eggs.
He's not gonna grab that.
Say, Mama.
How old is Adele?
Where's Mama?
He'll be 8 months next week.
Where's
Yeah.
Mama?
Ready?
Yeah, we was sitting there in that meeting with Sandy in there. My phone was going. Zzz. I'm like, that's gotta be Jerry.
You have a tickle spot? Where's your tickle spot?
Would I rather her?
Oh,
She's talking
yeah.
to her supervisors.
Get her to the
She just up to her. I mean, you know, if they're willing to do that, but then all the
I go get him a smile.
I don't.
You smile?
Right.
No?
It's not at work.